My name is Raya. My mother is going to make a breakfast recipe. Vegetable ada. It is very good recipe and it is healthy recipe. All should try this recipe.
Today we are going to see a recipe vegetable ada. For that we need tur dal, chana dal, moong dal, urid dal, asafoetida powder, salt, rice, dry red chili. So I am taking urid dal, chana dal and moong dal each 1 cup. These three 1 cup I am taking, but urid dal I am taking only half a cup and rice 2 cups I am taking here. 2 cup of rice is needed for making this ada. Urid dal I am taking only half a cup. Remaining moong dal, tur dal and chana dal I am taking 1 cup in this glass. And I am also adding vegetables for this recipe. So I am adding beans, onion, chili, ginger, carrot and curry leaves. This I am adding for this ada. Instead of these vegetables, we can also add drumstick leaves for this ada. It is also very tasty to eat. So first we want to soak all these grains, that is tur dal, moong dal, urid dal, rice and dry red chilies. We want to soak it for 2 hours. 2 hours we want to soak it. So after 2 hours I grind it, and this is coarsely grinded dough. We must not make it a smooth paste. It is only coarsely grinded, and I added all the vegetables into that dough. See, like this way you want to grind it, not in a smooth paste. So then only you will get a crispy ada to eat, and crispy and tasty ada to eat. So the dough is ready. Now we can make the recipe now. So this one is a healthy breakfast recipe. All can try this recipe. It's very good for children and also for adults. So all of you try this recipe. The specialty of this recipe is we do not want to soak overnight. Only you want to soak for 2 to 3 hours, and then we can grind it. And we want to add after grinding the dough, we want to add the vegetables. So vegetables should be chopped very small, chopped smallly, and the texture of the dough should be like this way. It should not be so loose or so tight. So now we are going to make the ada. So now the pan is ready. I am going to pour the dough into that pan. Make it like this way. So we want to spread it evenly to the pan. So like this way we can spread evenly to the pan, and we want to close this also because the vegetables want to cook inside. So put some sesame oil and we can close the ada for 2 to 3 minutes. It needs to cook. Then after 3 minutes, now check whether it is cooked or not. So now it is one side cooked, and let it cook the other side also. So it needs to be cooked some more time. The vegetables also want to cook, carrot, beans and all want to be cooked. So again let it be there for 2 to 3 minutes. The side of that ada also want to be crispy. So just press the ada like this way. So it will be crispy. Okay, now the ada is ready. Tasty and delicious ada is ready. Very nice recipe. Good recipe. There is no need of side dish also. So my son is going to taste the recipe. Okay, all of you try this recipe and tell your comments. Bye.